There's two ways you can do this. You can actually take these screws off, and that makes your life a little bit easier if you do that. I've done that most of the time when I've replaced these. Today I'm going to try and just see if I can weasel the screwdriver in behind and get that clip out of there without popping those screws. And I've not usually tried this, so bear with me and we'll see if that'll work. Okay, I got the spring clip out of there, and now I've got it loose. So we're able to just weasel that out of there nice and easily. So now we'll do the same thing on the top side, get that spring out of there, and you notice how easily that comes off of there. So putting them on is just the reverse process, so we'll show that, and you'll now know how to do those. Okay, so now we just pop that clip a little bit, slide that on, make sure the spring clip goes back on. Gonna do the same thing on this one, get that spring clip popped loose,